Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to do reverse a string. So first of all, I have a Groovy project. Inside the project, I have a package. I'm going to create a Groovy class over here. So that's my Groovy class. And the agenda of this session is to reverse string. So cutting a method like def rev string, and I want an input, so mention like input string. So I'm going to take input a string and going to reverse that. So I'm going to tell you two approaches for the same. In first approach, we are first finding out the length of the string. So I'm going like def l input string dot length. So first method I'm going to call it's the length. So it will return length of the string. Now I want to run a loop for def z is equal to l minus 1, z is greater than equal to 0, z minus minus. So what we are going to do, if we are taking the example like as an input, we are going to get hello as a string. So first we are finding out the length of the string. Length of the string will come 5. So here we have 5 in the L. Now we are running a loop from 4 to 0, means we are running a loop from L minus 1 because the length was 5. So we are running from 4 to 0 because we have indexing 0 to 4, but we are running the loop from 4 to 0. And now inside the loop we will fetch one character at a time. So this loop is running from 4 3 2 1 0. So first it will go to the fourth character, then third index character, then second index character. So one by one we are picking the character from the end. And print ln input string dot caret and index of z position. I'm going to create one more file giving the name z.groovy. Here we are going to create the object. First I'm importing my package and class again, and now creating the object. So def obj is equal to new a obj dot reverse string, and let's pass hello over here. So I'm running it and it should display hello in reverse. So OLLEH, but every time it displaying data in next line. So because we have used println means print and line switch. So after every character it is printing, it is switching the line. So we can use only print if we want. If we don't want to switch line, then we can use only print. Now I'm going and running it again. Here we check it, reverse the string. If you want to check one more string, so I'm writing like hello testing word, and this time it's again should be reversed. So HELLO testing and word. So my string is reversed, and that was our first approach to reverse a string. So I'm moving to the next approach, and for next approach I'm going to create one more method. So def rev string 1, I'm giving the different name. So def input a string, again I'm taking as a string in input, and then first I'm going to create one more string over here, giving the name final str and holding the blank string in that. Now again finding out the length, so def l is equal to input string dot length. Now running a loop for def z is equal to l minus 1, z is greater than equal to 0, z minus minus. Few of the section is same, but now I don't want to display each and every character. I'm holding all the character in this final string. So final str is equal to final str plus input string dot char at, and here I'm passing z. So and after this loop I'm displaying print ln reverse. Let's check it. So going to my method, going to z, calling a different method, and this time I'm passing hello, running it. So it shows null pointer exception. Let's move there and check what's the problem in that. So final string was blank, input string dot length. I think that's fine. We are running a loop from l minus 1, starting a loop from the 4 and till 0. Final string is equal to input string plus caret z. That's fine. I'm checking what was the error. So cannot get the property of final str or null object. So that was the final str, and the mistake is that I did not use right. So concatenation we need to use plus operator. I did not use that. Now I've used, running it again, and it shows reverse string is this. Now we are moving to understand the program. So here I'm coming, and what we are doing. So in the second approach, I'm creating a blank string. Again, few part is same, like I'm finding out the length of the original string, holding it to L, running a loop. This loop is picking one character at a time, but this time we are not displaying this character, we are taking the character and just concatenating with the this final string. So when the I'm taking example with the hello, so when first time this loop will execute, it will pick O, and final string was blank, blank plus O, so final string result will be O. Next time when this loop will run, so it will be O plus one more value, which is L. Then the string will be O and OL. Third time when it will execute, it will pick L. So OL plus L, OLL. So by this way, where this complete loop will execute, after execution in this final string, we have the reverse string of the input. So we are displaying that reverse string in this approach. So we have two different approaches in which we are just picking the character and displaying over here. Other approach was in which we are picking character and storing into the other string, and final reward string is displayed. So that's all we have for reversing a string. Thanks for watching this video.